Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to get emojis on PC. Here are the easy steps to get and use emojis on a Windows PC. Turn on your PC and log into Windows. Open any app where you can type, like Notepad, Word, Browser, Jot apps, etc. Click on the text field. Place the cursor where you want the emoji. Press Windows plus period key on your keyboard. The emoji panel will appear. Click the emoji tab if it's not selected. Browse emojis by category, or use the search bar and type on your keyboard to find a specific emoji. Click an emoji to insert it. Continue typing normally after inserting emojis. Now, use Windows plus semicolon as an alternative shortcut. Close the emoji panel. Press Escape or click outside the panel. Use emojis in any app that supports text input. Update Windows if emojis don't appear by going to Settings, Windows Update, and install the available updates. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.